As the need for water conservation increases throughout the country, more and more gardeners are installing drip irrigation systems. Stacy Reese, Dallas County Extension Agent, has agreed to show us some of the hardware options. Stacy, it looks like you've got a lot of irrigation equipment here.
Well, we have quite a few different types that are coming on the market, Curtis, and drip is getting very popular, and we just want to show the different types that you can purchase. That's the laser impregnated emitter. We've actually cut away and showing you the emitter, and they're preset for your different pressure regulator. Some are 1 gallon, 2 gallon, depends on the system. This particular system here, this is called T-tape. This is what's called a header line. Your main line that goes down the side of the garden or flower bed, and then these are your lateral lines that actually go out into the beds and water the individual vegetables or plants.
And you've got a similar kind of thing right here behind us.
Well, this is a kind of variation. You know, everybody likes to see their sprinkler working. These are called micro sprinklers, and they are a sprinkler type drip irrigation system. And you can see here there's several different types of sprinkler heads that you can use, but they still put out a small amount of water.
And you've got them attached to a header again.
Again, they are attached to a header. You punch the hole wherever you want it and then connect the sprinkler to that.
Okay, that looks pretty easy. And right here you've got a different style.
Oh, well, this is one I kind of like. Again, we have a header here that I've put together, excuse me. All drip systems should have a pressure regulator, and it just simply, you can unscrew it. This is 15 pounds of pressure. You can get them in 10 pounds of pressure, 20 pounds of pressure. I just simply use the 15 pound of pressure. And it just simply screws into your header line, and then you have to have a filter also. You can see that this screws apart. Here's your screen, and the water works its way. You hook this up to your water hose, and then the water will work its way through here and come out here, and it is hooked up to your pressure regulator. So you have a pressure regulator and your filter before you add anything else. Those are the first two things that you have to have. And then if you're fortunate enough to have a timer, you can just simply add a timer to the system, and then you can set it for however long you want it to run. Again, your water hose would go here, and you're set. And I have, in this particular one, I have 3 lateral lines coming out of the header line.
And these are screw-on types instead of punch-in.
These are just simply screw-on adapters. This is a pre-built 50-foot long system, and you just simply screw that into your T and then lay this 50-foot line down the middle of your flower bed or vegetable garden.
Yeah.
Here's your individual emitters, normally spaced on 2-foot centers. Again, as I said, these are 50-foot long. If you needed to drain it or clean it or anything, you could simply take that off and drain it, or you can hook another 50-foot line onto it, or 100-foot. Normally, you don't want to go more than 150 feet in one direction.
Well, Stacy, thanks for showing us all these different systems. Appreciate.
Enjoy you being here.
It's good to know what Dallas is doing.
Good. Glad you're here. Come back anytime.
Okay. To find out which systems are best suited for your garden, contact your local Cooperative Extension office.